special day. We are going to bake a delicious treat. Add the ingredients: sugar, milk, flour, egg, butter. Mix all the ingredients with the spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Now it's time to bake. Now you can decorate your cake. Chocolate icing. Add your favorite toppings: chocolate cookies, sparklers, vanilla cookies, umbrella, Billy, Bobby, Cowie, Elliot, Lisa, Ricky, Lisa. Chocolate cookie, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate, white chocolate, candies, banana,